Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to make default page setup to A4 in Word. Open Microsoft Word, click on Layout, and here we can see page setup. Click on this option, page setup option. Click on paper on second tab. Here we can select A3 executive statement legal. So if you want to default as A4, select A4 and click on set as default. Do you want to change the default setting for page setup? This change will affect all new documents based on the normal template. Click on Yes button. Now it is by default changed to A4 in page setup. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our video, please like or add your comments in comment section, and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our next video.